right, let's deepen into the power of the "this is my voice" exercise a bit. So if I'm working on a song and I'm feeling like it's just stuck, sometimes what I'll do is I'll hit the reset button on my voice, and the way I do that is I use my speaking voice and I systematically work it into a song. Let me give you an example. Let's say I'm singing Crazy by Gnarls Barkley. I remember when, I remember, and so that's my note. It starts on a G, so what I'll do is I'll go like this. I'll go, "This is my voice," which is lower than a G, and then I'll play that G and "This is my voice, this is my voice, this is my voice," and I get my natural speaking voice up to that note. "This is my voice, this is my voice," and I notice how it feels. "This is my voice," then I say the word, the lyric of the song. "This is my voice, I remember when, I remember when. This is my voice, I remember when." You try to make them feel the same. "This is my voice, I remember when, I remember when, I remember when I lost mine, I remember when." So you see, drag and drop your speaking voice over into a song.